Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange. How to add a chart, bar chart or pie chart, whatever chart, in Microsoft Office Word. It is very simple and very easy. Let's start to it. First, you need to open your Word file, create a new. Then you can go to Insert. Here you can see the chart. So many options are there. I just choose the default one and click OK. Now the Excel sheet is popped out. Here you can enter your data, suppose home, and office, outside, or others. Whatever your need you can add. It's just for the example. Here you can put day 1 or day 2, day 3, something like that. Okay, now you can see it is already created. If you want to change the value, it will change it. Okay, like that it will change. You can add more and more here. Like that you can do it. And if you want to change the title, double click on that, put the title there. Suppose day by day. And if you want to again modify the data, you can right click it and edit. You can again add whatever your need. Okay, it's very simple and very easy. You can change the style also according to your how you want. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Thank you. If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.